Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by powering down or enabling airplane mode so the screen won't react while you work. Place your Apple Watch face down on a soft microfiber to protect the body. Using a clean fingertip or a thin plastic pick, find a corner or edge of the protector and gently lift. You want slow leverage rather than force. Once you get a small lift, keep steady pressure. That initial gap is crucial because it lets the adhesive start to separate without cracking the protector or scratching the glass. Once you have a corner lifted, peel the protector slowly at a low angle parallel to the screen so adhesive releases evenly. This reduces stress on the screen and avoids shards. Make alternating small pulls from opposite sides if the protector resists. This balances tension and prevents sudden breaks. If adhesive builds up, pause and use a microfiber to wipe residue. Make sure to keep the pick moving along the edge rather than levering from a single point, because even pressure preserves the glass and the watch. When the protector is off, you need to clean the display right away. Dab 70% isopropyl on a lint-free cloth and wipe in gentle circles to remove oils and tiny adhesive bits. If you see scratches, understand why. Deep scratches can't be fixed by cleaning, while light ones may appear reduced after careful polishing. Only attempt that if you accept risk. If the protector shatters during removal, make sure to remove loose pieces with tape. Once clear, clean the screen and consider replacing the protector promptly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.